centimeters to 20 centimeters to 30 centimeters. Okay, so we're at 10 centimeters. I'm gonna put the car right here in the middle, and you can see the tape measure. We'll figure out how far exactly the car can roll.
All right, basically right on that line, and we're at 4 feet, friend.
Okay, so now we're at 20 centimeters, and the car's gonna roll. So let's see, can you predict, do you think it's gonna go more than 4 feet or less than 4 feet? I don't know, I think I know. So I'm placing the car at exactly the same spot. No push, just a release.
All right, here we go. We are at 6'1", friend.
Okay, so that went a little over 2 feet further. So I'm gonna predict that at 30 centimeters, it's gonna go even farther. So here I'm putting it right at the very edge, and I'm letting go.
Maybe not the straightest driver, but let's see how far we got. We got to 10'6".